Hello YouTubes, me coming here at you with another little tip. Very short video hopefully, because it's a very short tip and maybe very common knowledge to many of you, but I just want to share how I structure my project to keep it nice and tidy and easy to not confuse asset things from the asset store with my own stuff for my own game. So let's get to it. If you're new to my channel, I'm building this fireworks game where you can play around with fireworks and have fun in a safe environment. If you want to follow that journey, please feel free to subscribe to the channel and leave a like in this video if you like that one. So let's get started. Basically what I'm talking about is this structure over here. As you see here, I have in the top a folder called _fireworks game assets, and then I have a lot of other stuff. This way of structuring the project is, I guess it's not something I figured out, I think I saw it somewhere else and then just adopted that, because in my first projects I was kind of getting in a fight with all the assets I got from the asset store. So you can see here in the root here, when you install a package and something from the asset store, they have kind of their own structure of where they put things. It can be in sounds, it can be scripts, it can be all sorts of stuff. Anyway, what I ran into was that I had my scripts folder down here and my materials somewhere here, and it got super confused because then somebody from another package put something in the materials folder that was then going alongside my own materials for my own game, and it just becomes a nightmare very quickly. In recent versions of Unity, they are moving to this packet thing that kind of solves this problem, because I guess in the future that everything coming from the store will come into this packet thing. So a package will have its own folder away from your project. That would be awesome. Anyway, this folder in the top here, that's the one I always create. You can also call just _my_game, something unique at least. So in here I have my own project here. I have art, I have audio, I have prefabs, scenes, scripts, and terrain. I can have more. I actually recently had more, but then I saw another project with this structure and it kind of seemed nice to me. I really want to keep things as simple as possible, so that's why I'm trying to go for this one for now. Maybe you can learn from it, maybe you have something better. If you have something better, please let me know in the comment, because I always want to keep things even more simple than they are. So that's just basically it. Avoid clashing with existing packages from the asset store and move your own files into a folder. This is very easy to do in Unity, because if you have the other setup right now where your things are just all over the place, you simply just go in on this asset, create a new folder, call it _my_assets, then you get it here, and then you simply just drag your stuff in here. In Unity it's I don't think I ever encountered an issue with dragging around things, so it's really easy to restructure things. So you just find your scripts and stuff like that, drag it into this folder, and then very quickly you will have a simple and organized folder like this, where you have your own assets away from all the ones from the asset store. Again, if you have a better suggestion or something I could make it even simpler, please let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you want to join the journey of me building this fireworks game, please hit the subscribe button. If not, it's also fine not to. Have a nice day and hope I see you in the next video.